In the course of human events, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to select a template for a Prezi presentation. I got that from a movie. First step, call up a Google screen. Second step, type Prezi, P-R-E-Z-I in it. Press enter. Press login. Notice the fact that I'm logged on to Ken Lawrence's account. When you do this, you will probably be logged into your school's account. Your second step is to press the button marked New Presentation. This brings you to this screen. It has different types of templates you can use: sales and business development, marketing, education and nonprofit, HR and training, general ones. Now, this gets a little bit complicated, but you can use a template that's easy to use, or you can use a template that requires more sophisticated. This one here says Master. That was one that requires a certain amount of sophistication to use. Let's get to the actual business of choosing a template. We'd probably want education and nonprofit. Now, this one's novice, this one's novice. This one is skilled, presumably between novice and master. And this one is master. Let's look at this one marked novice. Position your cursor and press enter, and that shows it. You then have the option of using this template or not using this template. But either way, you will have a template. Thank you for your attention.